One thing that really surprised me here at Gresco is there's really nothing. It has nothing to do with the margin or the dollar. It's all about the customer.
Gresco's name in the market, we've been in the business now for 65 years. The renewables department, we do several other items, but home generators is our #1 seller right now.
From the sale to the installation to the service and repair, we're a one-stop shop. We can do every single bit of that.
We're here to promote and help the customer at their time of need. Whenever the power's out, that's what we're here to do, to help. Gresco takes care of the job. It's important to have a reliable generator because it provides power. It gives you control of the house or the business where you're at. It's out of your hands when the power goes out, but with a generator, you're in control of your power, so you can have 100% of power, 100% of the time. Gresco municipalities or co-ops that actually buy our product, they can benefit from this. Also, homeowners can. We're here to serve our customers. We can do that with the home generator program.
So I think one of the biggest things that we do different is communication. I know that we hear from multiple customers where even just the site survey itself went so much smoother with Gresco doing it. Then the big standout for us is price point too. The majority of what we sell is lower than MSRP, so the customer has a great price point. It's affordable. Maybe 3 months ago, we went to Blake Garrett's house. Gresco provided him a generator at a discounted rate due to his son having some medical issues, and he cannot be out of power for more than 30 minutes or they would have to move him from the home. He called me a couple weeks ago. They lost power for about 9 hours. They were able to stay at their home in their safe space with their son and not have to transport him. So it's always great to have calls like that. I think that's a true success story. That's the best part about this job, right? Being able to keep a customer home happy and comfortable. That's exactly why we do this job.